So in this video, we're going to cover neural networks for regression. And we only have a few examples where we use neural networks for regression, but we still should review it. So here's an example of a nonlinear function that we can't use linear regression to map. And the actual data points are in blue, and the actual function we want to approximate is in yellow. So in PyTorch, we have a regular logistic function. Simply get rid of the sigmoid activation function and replace it with a linear layer. Similar with the sequential module, we simply leave the last layer as a linear layer, and our prediction is a continuous value instead of a discrete value. So we'll build a model using the sequential module, or we can build a custom module, and in this case, the number of inputs will be 2, the number of hidden layers will be 2, and then for regression, the number of outputs will always be 1. And our criterion will be the MSE loss. And there's other loss functions we can use for regression, but we're not going to cover them in this course. And then we apply the same training process. And that's it.